So we're back again today with an air filter change out for, it's actually a cabin filter change out in a 2010 Scion XB, but this is it's the same filter and the same process for a lot of the Toyota, Scion and Lexus models. Friend called me up and said that her car wasn't cooling down. It's pretty hot outside right now. It wasn't cooling down, but the air it was blowing was nice and cool, just not much of it. So I said it's probably the cabin filter. We ordered a filter off of Amazon for, I believe it was $6.99. I will put the link down in the description, and this thing won't take 10 minutes. Let's get at it. This is actually going to be pretty easy. Let's go ahead and open the glove box, and if you can see right down here, there's a little arm bracket. Take this arm bracket and pop that off. It just literally pushes right off. There's just little blocks on the sides of the glove box right here. Just push in the plastic pieces and it folds right down. May even fall off like that. Those are just kind of loose hinges. The area that we need to get to is right here. This is that cabin filter compartment. That's easy enough. Just pop that off, grab that little tab right there and pull. And it'll come right off of both sides. Pull that dirty old ugly thing out of there. Ooh, that's pretty. That's been in there since day one, I do believe. Check that out. My guess is they had just a little bit of airflow issue in here. This is the filter that we're going to replace it with today. It's a off-brand, but instead of costing $20 at an auto parts store, 20 to 30 bucks in an auto parts store, it was, I believe it was $7, $6.99, $7 off of Amazon. We're going to put this right back in place the same way it came out. Just like that. Let's replace that cover. Give a real quick silent snap. I will set those hinges back in place. If you can see these little ears right here, give her a push and she's locked back in. That little arm bracket, you're going to want to take a screwdriver, pull that down a little bit, or you can use your fingers or whatever, and hook it right back in there, and you are ready to go. We got it started up, air's flowing perfectly now, and we are good to go. I'll put everything down, I'll put a link to all the parts and everything down in the description, or the part, because it's not, yeah, it's one part. Anyway, I like to kind of do things myself. Hopefully this helps you do it yourself. Think outside the box, do something cool. It might save you a few dollars. Till next time.